Hi you guys, so yesterday I was too lazy to film and I had a shoot with Moses LMD at the LDM. I had a shoot with him. By the time this video goes up, the clip should be out, so maybe I'll just attach a clip here right now so you guys can see. So yes, I had to take like a 4-hour break from work just to be able to meet up with that shoot. Although I was a bit sad because it didn't meet my expectations. Why was it Dremel? I was actually thinking it was Moses, even as much as I know Moses has a girlfriend. But I was thinking he was the one that wanted to just do the thing for content and all, yeah? But anyway, see my hair, guys. I'm trying to start a little hair journey to let my hair breathe. And yesterday, it rained, so I lost my scarf. And I tried retracing my steps today and I found it, and I'm so happy I found it. Yeah, I don't know if I'm in the mood for story time. So yes, this is just today's episode of me just surviving for the next 30 days. Tomorrow I have something very big and major happening in the office that I have to oversee and champion alongside my colleagues. So I will film the process for that one. Yes, you guys should chill. My hair, you all, I'm trying to learn to style it and just let it breathe, honestly. And I really like what it looks like. It's so nice and chill. Babies, so today I thought I was done. Apparently I'm not. So because we're going to Makoko tomorrow for ahead of Children's Day, we want to do like a CSR program where we give kids basic school accessories. So ahead of that, we have to go today to make a bit of research. So this is me on my way with my team. We're going to Makoko to make a bit of research, and yeah, before we go tomorrow, because apparently they say we have to appease the gods before we do anything or say we want to shoot. So we're going today to go and appease the gods before we go tomorrow to film. For myself. Hey, sweetie, they don't want you guys to see my feet. Not my fault. That's on it. Leave it for us like that. That's my HOD over there. That's me. This one is a pest. This is Makoko. Makoko is regarded as the largest slum area in Lagos, Nigeria. And a lot of people come around this area for CSR projects. So it wasn't just us. And first, when we arrived, we met someone who had a school there. So it was much easier to just align with him to get what we wanted done. So we spoke to him. He took us to see the ballet of Makoko. We had a few conversations, told him what we were planning to do, and then he just took us around the school to, see what they do. The kids in the school are so welcoming as well. I mean, it was quite sad seeing their structure and their setup. I mean, imagine us being scared to climb the stairs, and these are what these small kids do every single day just so they could learn one or two things, right? But well, this was really just an exciting experience, and yeah, basically all my job entails, and I actually love this so much. So this is where a section of them come to study. The kids were so excited. They all came out to see us. They were even dancing and singing some of the popular songs. It was quite entertaining.
So after we spoke to him for a while, he decided to take us around Makoko generally, especially showing us areas we are going to go around tomorrow when we come back to, do the main activities that we had. And yeah. He forced me to do this video. In the morning. Yeah, in the morning by 10 a.m., 9 a.m. 10 a.m. I so much love this. See how I'm sweating. I'm sweating already. But I love it. I love it. It's so much fun. We are in Makoko. This was when he was taking us, to the area where we were going to see the area where we were going to come tomorrow to enter a canoe that was going to basically give us like a tour of Makoko. So he was trying to take us there to see what it was like, and this was where he explained one or two things pertaining it. He explained how many people a canoe would be able to take. He initially said 10, but I'm not sure that played out well, but you guys will find out in the video tomorrow. So please watch and subscribe and share. This was really exciting for me to do. I was so excited to do this, honestly, because I've never been to Makoko before. It was just a beautiful experience, seeing people, the way they lived, how happy they were, and basically everything. So this was where he explained how we were gonna go.
Hi you guys, so we're done and we're out. Tomorrow is the D-Day. That's when we're coming to do everything surrounding Children's Day. It's a apparently you can't take a camera, you can't just come to Makoko and decide to do a shoot. You have to first of all come and make inquiries, because of late the community feels like people are extorting them because they feel like the community is a slum area. So YouTubers and they just come to make videos, they make money off the video, and the community doesn't even get anything out of it, right? See how I'm sweating. So it's only right that you come. When you come, you meet like the ballet of the community, speak to him, tell him what you want to do, and then they give you the go ahead. So that way when you come the next day with your camera, they will not harass you. Nobody will come and harass you and say, what are you doing, what's going on, blah blah blah. So I just realized that unlike the drowning incidents that's been happening, there's been a lot of drowning incidents in Nigeria, you almost can never drown in Makoko River, and that is because there are a lot of canoes on the river, and it's small. It's not as big as an ocean or as big as the water you see in beaches or stuff like that. So there are always people passing. There are always people on the canoe passing at intervals. So there is no point in time that an accident will happen and nobody will be able to see it on time and just render help, unlike an ocean where you will literally be abandoned in the middle of the ocean. So that's like one of the reasons why accidents are nearly impossible in Makoko River. Secondly, the river is not that deep. It is really not that deep. It's just filled with water, and people need to be able to cross the water by using canoes, right? But if someone stands in it, you will literally be able to stand and your head will still be above the water. So that's the reason why. Yeah. So that's it on today. tomorrow we start again. Tomorrow we do another vlogging. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave your likes, your comments, and everything. Mwah. Yeah. This video is for Children's Day, but by the time you will be seeing this video, it's gonna be in June. Bye.